Hey there my gorgeous friends, it's your creative genie Xenzia back with another episode of mind-blowing designing tips. Let's make your design truly shine. In today's video, we are going to see how to create these stunning designs. As lazy geniuses, we will create them with just one click. In this video, I'll introduce you to 3 incredibly amazing websites that I'm confident you are not familiar with. I'll also demonstrate how to incorporate these text designs into Canva, Pixelate or any other offline softwares. Alright, open up your browser and navigate to textstudio.com. Once you reach this page, you will find a wide variety of templates. While few are exclusively for premium users, the majority of them are available for free to use. In a new tab, please navigate to textfx.co. As I mentioned earlier, I'll introduce you 3 websites for creating incredible designs. Textfx.co is the second one. We'll discuss the third website later in this video. Now let's return to our first website, which is textstudio.com, and explore how to create stunning designs. There are 2 methods to create text designs on this website. The first method is to enter your text into the text generator and just click on the generate icon. As you might have guessed, this action will convert our simple text design into multiple text designs. This feature is particularly helpful when we are unsure about which text style suits our design best. Now let's discuss the second method, which is even simpler. Just browse through the available designs and choose the one you like. Once you click on your chosen design, you will be redirected to its editor. In the editor, you can customize various elements such as text, colors, gradients, textures, shadows, and even backgrounds according to your preferences. Indeed, the editor is designed to be user-friendly and easy to learn. While we won't delve into the specifics of changing colors, gradients, or textures, I'll highlight few important settings you should be aware of if you intend to use these designs in other softwares or applications. Once you have created your design, just before downloading it, ensure that you have selected the option to download with a transparent background. This is important if you want to use design in other applications or softwares, while maintaining background transparency. To make the background transparent, follow these simple steps. Head over to the background menu, click on the transparent background option. Next, go to the download menu, click on the PNG format. A download window will appear. Simply click on the download button. By following these steps, you will be able to download your design with a transparent background in a PNG format. Now let's proceed to convert our downloaded design into an SVG format, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG allows for unlimited scalability, ensuring sharp and crystal clear designs, regardless of the scaling height or width. SVG files are known for their scalability and retain their quality, no matter how much they are scaled. In a new tab, navigate to vectorizer.ai. Once you reach this website, simply drag and drop your downloaded design onto the website and patiently wait for a while the magic happens and file being proceed. Once the processing is complete, you can simply download the converted SVG file after that. You are free to use anywhere you desire, as SVG files are versatile and can be used in various applications and platforms without any loss in quality. Now let's shift our attention to the second website, which is textfx.co. This website, textfx.co, is completely free to use and all of its templates are 100% free as well. Additionally, users have the ability to download their text design in full format without any restrictions or limitations. Upon reaching the website, you can input the text into designated text box. You can simply select any color of your preference from the available options. After entering the text and choosing the color, proceed to select your desired design. Wait for a moment and your text will be transformed with stunning texture and 3D appearance. To download your design, simply scroll down a bit on the website and you will see 2 options. If you want to download your text design with the background included, simply click on this option. On the other hand, if you prefer to download your design without background in PNG format, click on the option labeled Standard Quality Transparent. This will allow you to obtain a transparent PNG version of your design. Thank you my gorgeous friends for joining me today. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please remember and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support is immensely appreciated. Thank you for watching.